Hello there. Did you ever wanted to get a website either for your personal portfolio or a project but couldn't because either you didn't want to spend a lot or the process was too complicated? Well, what if I tell you that Google lets you have websites for free? Yes, if you have got a Gmail account, then you are just a click away from getting your website. As you might have known that Google Drive also has some other features such as Google Forms and Google Sheets. It also has this pretty cool feature called Google Sites, which lets you have not just one but as many sites as you want for free. And when I say free, it's not like some other website services which lets you have free websites but have their logos all over your website and only provides you limited features unless you end up paying them something. There is no Google logo in Google Sites and the service comes with complete features. As a matter of fact, Google doesn't even have a paid version of this service. So now you know how awesome this service is. Let's see how we can create a site using this service. First of all, go to sites.google.com. Here, you'll see a set of templates which you can use as they fit the purpose of your website, which I'm gonna show you later in this video. Or you can also just start a blank website as I'm gonna show you first. Now comes the editing. You can just type in the text, no HTML needed. You can also embed any other page or YouTube video. Choosing the layouts is also simple, no CSS needed. You can also add more pages. And then comes my favorite part, themes. There are quite a lot of them. I personally like Diplomat. That was for a blank website. But you don't always want to spend too much time figuring out each page and each element. So let's just see how using a template works. I want to create a website for my village back in Punjab, India. Being in Vancouver, Canada now, I wanted to do something for my village, so I thought this could be the thing that I can do. Unfortunately, at the moment, there's no template for a town or city website in modern Google Sites, but in old legacy Google Sites, they did. So we are just gonna use that. Let's search Google Sites templates for places. The first site is old Google Sites, and here you see there's a neighborhood template. This site has all the pages and sections which I can use in my site. Although it looks dated, but the new version of Google Sites can do its magic. So let's name it Jaunpur is the name of my village, and it has imported the template. See, it now has a better looking site navigation. There are very good page ideas in this template. Let's go to home page and just change the title text for now and hit publish. Now here you can choose which address you'd like. I don't like the existing address, so I'll just name it Jaunpur and hit publish. And just like that, our site is published. Let's have a look at it. There you go. Our site is live for the world to see, all without spending a penny. This is a URL that people can use to look at our website. This URL looks way better than those offered by other free website services I talked about earlier. Now, if you'd like a custom URL, then you can definitely purchase one as I showed in my last video and point your website to that using Google Sites, which is my next video. So kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the video. By the way, I obviously updated the site and this is how it looks now. All that was done just by using Google Sites. That's all for today's video. Please like and let me know in the comments how did you find it. See you in the next one.